Hey there tubers, it's Ethan here today, and I wanted to take the channel back to its roots. So, here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Goodmans and 1 Eco Temp. I've never heard of that. But this Goodman is, they're all rusted out, as you can see, because right over that mound of sand there is the ocean. So we got all the salt air. So this one is from 2014, and it is a 3-ton. This one is from 2016, and it is a 3-ton. And you can see that one's already starting to form rust as well. This Eco Temp is a 3-ton, and it is from 2012. This Goodman looks a little bit out of shape. This Goodman looks probably to be a bit older. Let's see. This one is a 3-ton from 2014. Dang, these are all from 14. This Goodman right here is a 3-ton from 2014. This Goodman right here is a 3-ton from 2013. This one this one is by far the worst one out of all of them. Let's see, hold on, I think that is the worst one. It's over there in those ones over there. I'll film those, and we have another good one. It's pretty new. But these are 5 Goodmans and 1 Eco Temp. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Ethan out.